What is Suboxone treatment? Suboxone treatment is a medication-assisted treatment program for opioid addiction. It is used to help people overcome their addiction to opioids. If you are looking for Suboxone treatment, you are not alone. Millions of people around the nation struggle with opioid addiction, and Suboxone can help you overcome that addiction. This video will discuss what Suboxone treatment is and how it works. We will also talk about the benefits of Suboxone treatment and how to find a doctor who can prescribe it to you. Let us get started. Suboxone is a medication used to treat opioid addiction. It is a combination of buprenorphine and naloxone, two drugs that work together to prevent withdrawal symptoms and cravings. Buprenorphine is an opioid partial agonist which binds to the same receptors in the brain as opioids but produces a weaker reward signal. It helps relieve withdrawal symptoms and cravings without causing the same high as other opioids. Buprenorphine has a ceiling effect, meaning that it produces diminishing returns at higher doses. It reduces the risk of abuse and overdose. On the other hand, naloxone is an opioid antagonist which blocks the effects of opioids. It is added to Suboxone to discourage misuse, as it can cause withdrawal symptoms. Suboxone is taken daily. You can either dissolve the tablet under your tongue or place the film strip on the inside of the cheek. This medication is safe and effective when used as prescribed, and it can help a person overcome their addiction to opioids. That is why Suboxone treatment is such an essential part of recovery. Opioid addiction is a severe problem that affects millions of people in the U.S. In fact, in 2021, it is estimated that there were over 80,000 opioid overdose deaths in the U.S., with fentanyl being the main driver of this increase. Opioids are a type of drug that includes both prescription painkillers and illegal drugs like heroin. They work by binding to opioid receptors in the brain and other parts of the body, mimicking the effects of endorphins. It can lead to feelings of pleasure and euphoria, as well as pain relief. However, opioids also have a high potential for abuse and addiction. Over time, users develop tolerance to the drugs, needing increasing and more frequent doses to achieve the same effects. It can lead to dangerous consequences, including overdose and death. Those who suffer from chronic pain are the most at risk for developing an addiction to opioids. That is why Suboxone treatment is so necessary, as it can help people overcome their addiction to opioids. Suboxone works by binding to the same opioid receptors in the brain as other opioids. However, it does not produce the same euphoric effects. It helps reduce cravings and withdrawal symptoms, making it easier for people to quit using opioids. Suboxone is a safe and effective treatment for opioid addiction and is available at many addiction treatment centers across the country. In addition, Suboxone is used in comprehensive opioid addiction treatment programs. These programs typically include medication-assisted treatments, MAT, individual and group counseling, therapy, and other forms of support. This comprehensive approach is the most effective way to treat opioid addiction. If you or someone you know is struggling with an addiction to opioids, Suboxone treatment may be the answer. With the help of a qualified addiction specialist, you can get on the path to recovery and lead a healthy, drug-free life. Suboxone is usually administered as a sublingual film, which dissolves under the tongue. The dosage and frequency of administration will depend on your needs, but most people take 1 or 2 films per day as their Suboxone doctors have prescribed. Suboxone comes in 4 different strengths. Your Suboxone doctor will work with you to determine the best dosage for your individual needs. They will also closely monitor your progress and make adjustments to ensure you benefit the most from treatment. Suboxone treatment usually starts with a lower dose and then increases as needed. The goal of treatment is to find the lowest effective dose that helps control withdrawal symptoms and cravings. Most people remain on Suboxone for at least a year, but some may need to stay on the medication longer. Suboxone is an FDA-approved medication for treating opioid addiction. Suboxone is a Schedule III controlled substance and can only be obtained with a valid prescription from a certified Suboxone doctor. Suboxone clinics and addiction treatment centers are the only medical facilities authorized to dispense Suboxone. Suboxone doctors must be certified by the Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration, SAMHSA, to prescribe Suboxone. Suboxone is not available over the counter. It is essential to only obtain Suboxone from a certified Suboxone doctor or an authorized medical facility, as many fake and counterfeit products are sold. These products may contain harmful ingredients that could be dangerous to your health. In addition, our platform, SuboxoneDoctor.com, offers an easier way to find a certified Suboxone doctor near you. Enter your zip code into our directory, and we will provide a list of doctors in your area who are certified to prescribe Suboxone. You may also find a doctor to help you start Suboxone treatment online through our telemedicine services and virtual appointments. The cost of Suboxone treatment varies depending on several factors, including the type and dose of the medication, the length of treatment, and whether or not insurance will cover the cost. Without insurance, the cost of Suboxone can start from $200 per month. Some insurance plans will cover part or the entire cost of Suboxone treatment, while others may not cover it at all. Medicare and Medicaid will also cover the cost of Suboxone treatment for eligible patients. Treatment with Suboxone is typically considered to be cost-effective in the long term, as it can help reduce or eliminate the need for more expensive treatments, such as inpatient detoxification or hospitalization. You can get same-day Suboxone treatment by visiting our website and finding a Suboxone doctor online. We offer telemedicine services and virtual appointments that make it easy to get started on Suboxone treatment from the comfort of your home. We understand that deciding to seek treatment for opioid addiction is not always easy, and we want to make the process as simple and convenient as possible. Our goal is to help you get started on the path to recovery as soon as possible. If you are ready to start your Suboxone treatment, the first step is finding a qualified Suboxone doctor online. Suboxone is a life-saving medication that has helped countless people overcome their opioid addiction. If you are struggling with opioid addiction, Suboxone may be the proper treatment for you. At SuboxoneDoctor.com, we can help you find a Suboxone doctor online or in your area who can help you start your treatment. All you have to do is enter your zip code into our directory, and you will be able to find a list of certified Suboxone doctors who can help you start your Suboxone treatment. Don't wait any longer. Get the help you need and start your Suboxone treatment today. Visit SuboxoneDoctor.com.